Picture yourself on a chilly, starlit night, August 15th, 2025, standing on a remote hilltop in New Mexico's Chihuahuan Desert, the air sharp with the scent of creosote and dust, the stars above blazing with an unnatural clarity, each one seeming to pulse with a secret that makes your skin prickle, and as you stand there, alone with the vastness, a low, rhythmic hum begins to ripple through the silence. Not from the earth, not from the wind, but from somewhere far beyond, a deep vibration that sinks into your bones, making your heart race like it's trying to warn you of something your mind can't yet grasp, and when you squint into the darkness, your eyes catch a glimmer, a shimmering light, hovering low over the desert, not a plane, not a satellite, but something alive, something that shifts from a glowing ring to a jagged, spiraling form, pulsing with colors that don't belong in our world, green fading to indigo. Then a silver so intense it casts shadows on the sand, and it feels like it's watching you, knowing your name, maybe even your fears. Welcome to 3i Atlas, what lurks beyond our solar system, where we're diving into a mystery so fresh it's barely reached the headlines, so strange it's shaking astronomers and governments alike, so haunting it might make you question everything you thought you knew about the stars, the cosmos, and what's really out there. So hold on tight, because this story, unfolding as we speak on September 10th, 2025, at 11:16 a.m. Pakistan Standard Time, is going to grab you, pull you in, and not let go until you're staring at the night sky, wondering if something's staring back. It all began less than a month ago, on that August night in 2025, when a group of campers, gathered in New Mexico's Chihuahuan Desert for a weekend stargazing trip, saw something that wasn't in any guidebook, a light that didn't just shine but moved with purpose, darting across the sky like a firefly, then freezing midair, then twisting into shapes. A perfect ring, a fractured triangle, a spiral that seemed to ripple like liquid metal, glowing with hues that shifted from emerald green to deep indigo to a silver so bright it lit up the desert floor like daylight. And Layla Hassan, a 32-year-old high school science teacher, was there with her phone, her hands trembling as she recorded 15 seconds of footage that would turn her quiet life upside down. Layla described the object as a breathing star, not just glowing but pulsing, like it had a heartbeat, changing shapes so fast it hurt to watch, and for a fleeting moment, she felt a pressure in her mind, not a voice but a thought, sharp and clear. We are 3i Atlas. We observe. Be still. The campers stood frozen, some clutching their gear, others whispering in panic, as the object hovered for what felt like an eternity but was only minutes, before it shot straight up, vanishing into the stars, leaving behind a faint afterimage, a symbol of 3 interlocking circles, each sliced by jagged, writhing lines, like a code carved into the night sky. Layla posted the clip on X at midnight, expecting a few likes from her students, but by sunrise, it had exploded, racking up millions of views, sparking hashtags like #3iAtlas, #BeyondTheStars, and #WhatIsAtlas, with users comparing the symbol to ancient runes, mathematical fractals, even markings found in caves thousands of years old, but within 24 hours. Layla's account was banned, her phone's storage was wiped, and she received an anonymous call warning her to stop digging or lose everything. But Layla wasn't the only one who saw it. A rancher named Javier Ortiz, living 10 miles away, was on his porch when he saw the same light, his old radio blaring static mixed with a faint, eerie chant repeating, "Atlas, Atlas," before it shorted out, and his truck's digital clock froze at 2:22 a.m., the exact moment the object disappeared, even after he replaced the battery. By morning, the small town of Mesilla nearby was buzzing, locals swapping stories at the diner, the gas station, the corner store, whispering about lights in the sky, strange dreams, and a feeling of being watched, and a local news channel ran a brief segment, interviewing Layla and Javier, but the story was pulled by noon, replaced with a vague report about a weather anomaly. And the reporter, a young woman named Elena Ruiz, later posted on X that she was told to drop the story by people who don't answer to anyone. The real shock came on August 20th, 2025, when an anonymous whistleblower, claiming to be a SETI researcher, leaked an email on a tech forum, stamped classified 3i Atlas incident, alleging that a 222-second signal was detected that night by a radio telescope in Australia. A complex pattern of pulses and tones, named the 3I Atlas signal by online sleuths, originating from the Oort cloud, the icy, distant shell of our solar system, a place so far it's barely explored. The email described an object, not a comet, not an asteroid, but something non-natural, moving erratically, accelerating without thrust, stopping without reason, changing direction in ways that defied physics, and it warned of potential contact risks, urging silence to prevent global unrest. The post was deleted within hours, but not before thousands downloaded it, sharing it across X, where users started linking it to other sightings. All after May 2025, in Brazil, a pilot saw a shape-shifting light tailing his plane on August 18th, scrambling his navigation. In Iceland, a hiker found the three-circle symbol etched into a glacier on August 22nd, dated 2025. In faint scratches, in India, a radio operator caught the same 222-second signal on August 25th, whispering, "Atlas, Atlas," before his equipment caught fire. By September 1st, the internet was ablaze with theories. Some called 3I Atlas an alien probe, others a secret government project, others something ancient, awakened by our signals into deep space. Then, on September 5th, 2025, just 5 days ago, a diver off Australia's Great Barrier Reef found a metallic fragment at 500 feet, no bigger than a basketball, etched with the three-circle symbol, glowing faintly under his flashlight, and when he brought it to the surface, his camera glitched, his dive computer froze, and he reported a hum in his head, like a voice trying to break through. The fragment was sent to a lab in Sydney, but the researchers, led by Dr. Anika Patel, reported strange effects, headaches, vivid dreams of the symbol, equipment failing, and on September 8th, the fragment vanished from a locked vault, no signs of a break-in, no footage of anyone entering, just gone. Dr. Patel posted a thread on X, hinting at a cover-up, but her account was deleted by September 9th, and she hasn't responded to messages since. The sightings keep coming. Yesterday, September 9th, 2025, a trucker in Nevada saw the lights again, a farmer in Peru found the symbol carved into a field, and an amateur astronomer in Greenland caught the 222-second signal, this time with a faint image embedded in the data, showing the three-circle symbol against the starry void. What is 3I Atlas? A visitor from beyond our solar system, signaling us with lights and symbols? A secret experiment buried by those who know too much? Or something older, lurking at the edge of our reality, waiting for us to notice? The signals keep pulsing, the lights keep flashing, the symbol keeps appearing, and every time we get close, the truth slips away, accounts deleted, people silenced, evidence vanishing. Look up tonight, September 10th, 2025, as the stars burn bright, and listen. Do you hear that hum? Do you feel that chill? Is 3I Atlas a message, a warning, or something watching us from the void? Drop your thoughts in the comments, share this video with everyone you know, and subscribe, because this mystery is alive, growing, and we're going to chase it, no matter what's out there lurking beyond our solar system.